Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed the summary of this poem No Men Are Foreign. Today we will take line by line explanation of this. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath means under all uniform a single body breathes like ours. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we shall lie. Students, remember one thing you should keep in your mind, that no men are stranger here and any country is not foreign. Beneath, under this uniform clothes, etc., a single body breathes. There is a single body that breathes as we breathe. The land our brothers walk upon, and the same land that our brothers walk upon, on this is the same earth. Is earth like this in which we all shall lie, and all shall lie on this same earth, walk on the same earth. They too aware of sun. They means the people of another country, aware of sun, air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starve. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. They means the people. Aware means no. Peaceful harvest, crops growing in peaceful times. By war's long winter starve. Long winter like starvation caused by wars. Now the poet says all people need sun, air, water, and they also fed the harvest which is grown in peaceful way, and because of the war there are so many consequences of the war, that is starving and suffering. Their hands are ours, and their hands are like ours. In their lines we read a labor not different from our own, and the labor who work hard, they are also our brothers, and they are not different from us. Remember, they have eyes like ours. They have the same eye as we have, and because of that they wake up and sleep, and strength that can be won by love. That strength can be won. We should love to each other, and by doing love we can win them. In every land is common life, whether it is here in India or in America or in any other country. There everywhere is life is same. They all can recognize and understand. They can recognize to know, and understand. They can understand it. Here you can see figure of speech has been described like ours. Every in line 1, they have eyes like ours. Here is simile. Now let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Let us remember, disposes, deprive, वंचित करना, betray, deceive or cheat, condemn, to blame. We should remember one thing, whatever we told, whenever we are told to hate our brother, we should not hate our brothers, because all human beings are our brother. It is ourselves that we shall dispose it. We should dispose, betray, condemn. We should not try to deceive anyone. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Remember, if we hate our brothers, we shall deprive ourselves of what we are till. This means betrayal or self-condemnation. It is the human earth that we defile. Defile means spoil, make dirty. Our hells of fire and dust outrages the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign, no countries strange, defile, make dirty or spoil our hells of fire. Fire caused by war, outrage, insult, innocence, simplicity of heart. It is the human earth. It is the earth on which human lives. So we should not spoil it because our hells of fire. The fire caused by war. So we should not do any fighting like war, etc. because in this not only the soldiers are involved but also the innocent people are involved because they also suffer because of starvation or sufferings of air that is everywhere our own. And it is insulted when there occur wars or hatred controls the minds of people. We should remember that no men are foreign, no countries strange. So student, you have to keep all these points in your mind. Thank you, students.